Hi, and welcome to the NIC PIPS YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any new content. Also, check the description below. You should find my link tree. Go ahead and click on it. Click on the free Discord chat, join the chat, and there you will be able to interact with myself. And also, I share trade ideas and things that I'm working on in the Discord server. All right, so let's get on to today's video. All right, guys, so let's show you how to go ahead and join a brokerage and set up a demo account so you can start practicing your craft. So you want to go ahead and check the link below. Click on that referral link for Osprey FX. Click on sign up and go ahead and fill in your information. It's going to ask you some of your personal information, which is understandable when you sign up for a brokerage account. Just go ahead and follow that process and get your account set up. And once you do, go ahead and sign in. I have two-factor authentication set up via my Google Authenticator app. I strongly suggest that you set this up at some point in time, either through the Google Authenticator app or some type of app. I don't personally like the SMS option because it's not as secure, just because of the fact that people can do what they call a SIM card swap and be able to access your account by stealing your SIM card information, cloning your phone, so to say. So I prefer the Authenticator app. So once you log in, this is what Osprey's back office looks like. Alrighty, and so we want to create a demo account. So in order to do that, you're gonna have to go over to accounts over here on the left. Click on accounts. So we're gonna select the platform that we want to create the account on, which is going to be Metatrader, and select which Metatrader you're going to use. Is it going to be MT4 or MT5? We're going to select in a demo. In this case, if you're creating an actual live account, some people don't believe in demo trading. Some people want to just throw some money in there and start learning off the fly. That's cool, but do not deposit any money that you can't afford to lose, because there is a high chance that you will lose your first account. I've blown accounts at the beginning of my journey, and so have many others. So it's almost expected, but hey, we're creating a demo account today. So we're going with MT4. If you're going to use MT5, that's fine as well. Create an MT5 demo, but the process is going to be the same. These different type of accounts, Islamic, if you're not Islamic as far as their religion goes, you don't need to worry about that account. But most people, the ECN is going to be the account that you're going to use, MT4, MT5. All right, so let's go to MT4 demo. We're going to select our currency, which is going to be US dollar, and we're going to select the leverage. Now, the higher the leverage, when it comes to your accounts, not going to get too deep into that, but we're going to select 500 in this example, and we're going to select the balance. So my suggestion is to select the balance as close to what you would be trading when it comes to your live account whenever you do decide to go live. So we're only going to put a couple $100 in there, go with 100 to 500. So you decide what works for you. I'm going to select 5,000. I'm going to hit create account, and you guys should be able to see it right up here. It says account created successfully. Please check your email for the credentials. So that's going to be the email address that you use when you register for an account with Osprey FX. So here's my email, and as you can see, I have a new email from Osprey FX that says my new demo Metatrader account has been created. Now, if I click on that, you'll see that it shows me my login credentials down here. So as you can see right here, the demo account was created, and here are your login credentials that you're going to need when we go over to MT4. So if you do not have Metatrader 4, you can download it right here via these links. So go ahead and do so if you have not already. So now we're going to go ahead and transition over to MT4 now. So when you load up MT4, your screen may look a little different. I believe when you first log on, it's going to connect to the Osprey FX servers. Then it should give you the option to either create an account or log into an existing account. We already created an account, and we already have an existing account. So click on log into existing account. And then what you want to do is you want to go back to your email, and you want to highlight and copy the account number information from the email that they sent you for your demo account, and then go back to your MT4 and paste it in here by highlighting these numbers, right clicking on your mouse and hitting paste. You want to do the same thing to copy it. So on your email, you want to highlight it, right click it, select copy in the email, and then come over here and right click, highlight it, right click, and paste it. Right, Control C to copy, Control V if you're a tech nerd like I am and you understand that, utilize. If not, just use the right click. So I'm gonna go back to my email again. I'm gonna select my trader's password. Right, so you can see you have a trader's password and you have an investor's password, and it says that the investor's password is a read-only password. Investor password would be like if you want to give somebody the ability to look into your trade history and your trades, but not be able to open and execute trades. So maybe you want a spouse or a service that does some type of trade logging for you. That's the email, that's the login you would use for them, would be the investor password. But the trader password, whoever has that password is able to open and execute trades in your account. So be very selective with who you share that with. All right, so I'm gonna right click and paste that information in there. Make sure you have the right account as far as the server selected. We're gonna go demo because it's a demo account. If you're opening or using a live account, select whichever live server or whichever server is listed in the email with your credentials. Okay, so once you do that, if you click log in, give it a second, and in the bottom right corner here, you should hear that little chime, and that chimes mean that your account is now connected. Cool beans. But yeah, so that's essentially how you go ahead and create you a Osprey account, open a demo account, and download MT4 and attach your demo account to your MT4 terminal on your desktop computer. All right, I will be creating a video on how to do the same thing on your smartphone, so be on the lookout for that. I will attach that into the comment section here of this video, so check that comment section, and the first pinned comment should have the video for the mobile device and how to add your demo account there. Drop any questions, comments, or concerns in the comment section below, guys. Again, this is just a quick video on how to create a demo account and how to attach it to your MT4. Alrighty, guys, so this is going to be one of the videos of my getting started series here on my channel, guys. So don't forget to subscribe, also like this video, and turn on your notifications so that way when I post the next video on this getting started series, you won't miss a video. So thank you for checking out my video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.